Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Ford Transit long wheelbase custom. Then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So it's a 2-litre TDCi 300 L2H1 Trend. It's 2019 on a 19 plate. As I say, it's a long wheelbase with a 130 brake horsepower engine. It's only done 10,489 miles, one registered owner. The fuel economy, urban is 39.8, extra urban 47.9. It has a top speed of 99 miles per hour, but as we all know, if there was a Bugatti Veyron going along the autobahn at 252 miles an hour, there'd be a transit van in front of it. 128 brake horsepower and 16 valve engine. It's finished in magnetic grey metallic and it's got grey cloth upholstery. It has the front parking sensors here in the bumper. We've got the side protective mouldings, power folding door mirrors, side loading door, and it also has this little flap which allows you to load longer objects and perhaps a set of ladders, something like that, and that goes under the passenger seat. And it's also got this composite easy clean floor and also hard wearing as well. It's ply lined. So rear parking sensors, and we've got the twin barn doors here. You can see they open up to 90 degrees. Then if you just pull this little yellow hinge out there, it'll open up to 180 for easy loading. Get a forklift truck up to the back. Reverse up to a loading bay, whatever it is you want to do. A nice, easy, low loading space as well. Clips back like so. I'll just take you for a ride in it. We have two keys for the van. We've also got a really good contact for these vans. So this is just over 6 months old, I think. It's done 10,582 miles, and we can get them in various colours. So if it's not a magnetic grey metallic one that you're after, please give us a shout and we can always try and find one for you. Quite a handy spec on these vans. As you can see there, little cup holders in there and somewhere to put your papers. Also a front central armrest here, and we've got 6-speed box, and we've also got power folding door mirrors there. Just take you for a ride in it. They do drive really good. Just drive like a car. The usual great Ford gearbox. Some handy things, as I say, like the power folding door mirrors, and also we've got heated front screen as well. Vehicle's ply lined. It's not being beaten up or abused inside. It's really nice condition and a good colour combination as well. Nice seating position, nice and comfortable. Electric front windows. We've also got Bluetooth hands-free and also Bluetooth audio streaming with the stereo. Just switch it on in a second. We'll get around this corner. Good turn of speed there.
I'd like a
Turn that down, and if we just go on to audio, the music node there you go, that's Bluetooth Bluetooth audio streaming. Dolly Parton. It's a real sporty feel to it. Just put that back up there. You've bench seat across the front there, so there's room for 3 workers. And just everything laid out nice and easy. Indicators on the left, wipers on the right here. Got height and reach adjustable steering wheel, which I forgot to show you. Is there anything behind us? Anything coming? No, not enough time. A really good heater in here. Can't wait all day, sorry. Nice and quiet, great drive. There we go, we've got height adjustable seats as well. Right, I'll just show you. There you go. Height and reach adjustable steering wheel as well. Just get that in a bit better place. The light switch is on the right hand side there. You've got 2 more cup holders on the dash at the outside, kind of a flask holder or a big bottle holder at the bottom there, and then also one in the door pocket. And cruise control on the left here, and your audio controls on the right. You can also, your information panel in the center. Use this here to change the settings. Display there, and you've got driver assist as well on the dash. They're so nippy, these. Display average speed, instantaneous fuel, trip timer, and set what's shown on the dash. Nice there. Just I'm sure he's just passed better places before he's gone on the motorway. He could have gone to the toilet. The sights you see when you haven't got your gun. That's all my camera equipment sliding into the front and in the resin coated floor in the load area. This is ideal for conversion to a camper van. As I say, long wheelbase, plenty of room in the back, and they are quite rare. It's probably a good colour for a camper van too, I think. Handbrakes in the proper place, as opposed to some of the other vans that you do yourself a mischief when you're getting out, because handbrakes on the side here, unless your legs are about 4 or 5 feet long, you've got to slide off the seat, which involves catching the handbrake on the way out. I don't know who thought of that. Or if it has to go there, why they didn't do it like the old Jags, the old E-Type Jags, where you'd ratchet it up and then the lever would just go back flat, as opposed to sticking up. These really do handle well. They are, I think they are my favourite van. Turn this heater down as well. Okay, so let's see. We've got cruise, and then click that up to set it. So cruise switch is there, speed limiter's there. To set, you can either, there we go, just get that to 70. We're in 6. It's doing 1750 revs. It's so quiet, not much more than tick over speed, and we're doing 70. with all your with 3 people possibly, and all your gear in the back. But also, as I say, if you did convert it to a camper van, then it's equally as quiet, and when you're in one of those noisy vans, it makes you tired, so you don't really want to go a long way. This is just superb. Just slot in behind this Nissan Micra, who's decided to put a spurt on now. Gordon Bennett. Just big sticker on the back of the car in front saying they support the Poppy appeal, so I'm not going to say anything about that driver in front. They can do what they want for me, but I just wish they'd put some air in the back tyres. We've got power socket there, also USB. I wish I'd remembered to bring a lead for my iPhone, just to see exactly what we could do with the system, whether it's, you can use your iPhone for sat nav, and the directions would come out over the audio, which I think they do. I will show you how to pair your mobile, how to delete a mobile, and how to stream audio from this system when we stop. So we've got the heated front screen switch there, and heated rear windscreen, they're both there, and also your parking. Let's knock it on. It does actually tell you when it's off. Lights off. Drilling. Seeing the Range Rover there reminds me really that this is it's an excellent seating position. You can see what's happening all round. You can see easy rent vans coming through the lights on red when they shouldn't do. Just lovely. I'm going to start indicating early, because otherwise these cars will bunch up behind me. Bumpy road, and of course the one thing about vans is they're designed for to carry weight in the back, really, so there's no weight in this at the moment, so it's a little bit bouncier on the back end than it would be with weight in, but it just, there we go. Great handling. Number plate there worth a heck of a lot more than the car it's on. Another one there, Watson, WAT60N, that's a good plate. They're all around here today. They're all indicating, but I just don't trust people. Try and avoid some of the bigger potholes along this road. The vehicle's like new, as you would expect though, so I'll finish the test drive here. And as usual, just remind you to, if you want one of these, get in touch. If this isn't the right colour or we've already sold it, we have got a good contact for them. Please keep an eye on our website, ggcars.co.uk, and perhaps have a browser to our web store. If you need a price for your vehicle, you can get one from our site. Or from We Buy Any Car. There's also links to Car Finance 24/7 where you can arrange your own finance if you're not buying the vehicle through us. As long as it's a reputable garage, you can arrange your own finance, and there's loads of other things as well. So hopefully there'll be nobody in this little lay-by around the corner, and here we go, and I'll just show you how to work the audio system.